Today we're going to open and test the Ryobi 2.5 amp 9-inch bandsaw. This is the BS904G with a 9-inch throat capacity, 3 5/8 inch cut capacity, 45-degree bevel, 45-degree sliding, miter gauge, a couple other things. We ain't got to go over the whole list. We're going to take it out of the box, put it together, try it out. Got a little time. We'll cut a 2x4, we'll try a 2x6. I'm not going to tell you what all these different parts are. I know this right here is a table wood's going to run on, but we're just going to get it out. I will say Ryobi probably are not the best package. Most of the tools I get, the boxes have been through it a little bit. Anyway, that doesn't say anything about the tools themselves. Thus far, they've been good to me. Got another owner's manual. We might need it. Put it to the side for the time being. All right. 2.5 amp motor. Couple clips on the bottom, on the side. Makes it fairly easy to open. I would hope that no one tries to unbox a tool, plug it up, and try to run it. Especially if you're not going to read the owner's manual. You don't have a little bit of mechanical sense about you to begin with. All right, let's see. Open our tools up, see what we got to work with, and they tell us what to do. We have a few directions on the back side. I noticed when I started adjusting this, we got a change in our tension. Got a dust collection here. Most likely will not hook up to your average shop vac. Most don't. I do not know what these knobs for. This has a lock and unlock. But like it's pretty good. Pretty good to go. This piece, plastic. 2x4. I think it's pretty good. I mean, it'll do everything that I got to throw at it. 3.5 inch thick cedar. Haven't done anything with it, so I didn't want to cut too much off of it. I got some ideas in mind for it. I didn't want to waste it just testing this. I think it runs just fine. I suggest using the owner's manual or spending 20 minutes just figuring it out.